What's up, everybody? It's Punk Rock 101 DJ Caden Space. Who has a radio nowadays? I know I don't, but I still do tune in to KSYM via the internet at KSYM.org. I usually use my laptop or my smartphone to tune in by going to KSYM.org, and I'll show you how. When you go into your internet search box, type KSYM.org and it will take you to our main screen. On that same screen, you will see Stream KSYM. Once you click on that, under the graphic on the left-hand side, you will see a button that says Start Streaming. Click that Start Streaming button and a small box will open with a play button. Push the tiny play button and you will be live streaming. Another great feature on our website will tell you what songs just played, listing the time, the artist, and the song title. All you need to do is go back to the Stream KSYM page and scroll down. Thanks again for supporting San Antonio College Radio.